Hello traders, the title of the video is first a thing one should know about the bullish inverted hammer. Alright, so you want to know, you want to understand it, and you want to master it. Alright, the inverted hammer. I'm going to draw on my chart the bullish, so very important. Alright, I'm not talking about any type of hammer, I'm talking about the inverted bullish hammer. Alright, when we have a hammer is inverted, but it is bullish because the closing price is above the opening price. You see this one here? This is an inverted hammer with a long shadow. All right, so this is an inverted hammer, a bullish inverted hammer. There's another one here. It's a powerful candlestick bar, the bullish inverted hammer. Just take 1 minute to admire, okay, the gorgeousness of this inverted bullish hammer. All right, inverted bullish hammer. So you need to be very, very careful because it has to be bullish. The closing price should be above the opening price, and we want to see a long shadow. See here again, the closing price is above the opening price, and we have a long shadow. This is the candlestick bar that we are looking for, a long shadow like this. All right, a bullish, okay, inverted hammer. All right, so I've been posting video about candlestick bar to help traders. Hopefully, it has been helpful to you. All right, and to highlight a few things that you need to know about candlestick, okay, bars and candlestick pattern. But the inverted bullish hammer is a powerful candlestick bar because it is intrinsically bullish. Right? But we can sell if the price, okay, closes below the opening price of that bullish inverted hammer. So as you can see here, this is a bullish inverted hammer. It's quite bullish. Why is it bullish? It's not only because it closes above the opening price, is because the price did open here. Okay, you see, this is very interesting. This one here, look at this one. So price was going up, okay, and then people sold it for 2 quarters. So 6 months, people were busy selling this stock, okay, the Discovery Communication Corporation. The EPIC is Delta India Sierra Charlie Kilo DISC. DISCK is an American stock belonging to the consumer cyclical sector. All right, so price was going bullish, and then people sold it for 6 months. But look at this candlestick bar. The bull came in and they pushed the price back up. So if you were here, you did not have enough stop loss, or if you bought okay, a put option, all right, and you didn't take your profit, you will see that your profit will be erased as the price is going back up. So it went back above the high of those two. So in fact, we have a new higher high. This candlestick bar is very, very bullish. But you need to understand what is taking place here. So our strategy is very simple, all right? It's very simple because it's a very, very bullish candlestick bar. If it goes below the opening price or the low of that very, very bullish candlestick bar, it's an invitation to sell. So look around. You see, there was one here. All right, another inverted hammer. But here, it was very interesting. You can see the price D below that low. For day trading, swing trading purposes, you will give priority to bearish signal below the low or the opening price of that bullish inverted hammer. It's just something you need to know. So if you were here, this candlestick bar here, I'm on a quarterly chart for 3 months. All right, so you can see that for the best part of this candlestick bar, it went down. So if you apply that strategy, priority to bearish signal below the low or the opening price of that inverted bullish hammer, all right, that will be a great strategy. All right, here it is. But you can see that though the price went below the low of that or the opening price of that inverted bullish hammer, It quickly closed above the opening price. Can you see that? It's very interesting. So it closed above the opening price. So though it went down first, which means this candlestick bar was bearish first, but the bullish trader pushed it back above because they knew that if it closes below the opening price of this candlestick bar here, the bearish trader will come back and sell it. But if they manage to close it above the opening price, a lot of bearish traders will be discouraged to sell it because they are giving priority to bearish signal below the opening price. So from there, you see, after this candlestick bar here, after it closes above the opening price of this one here, you see that what has happened? It just went up. So you can use this inverted bullish hammer as a powerful tool to find bullish and bearish financial instruments. But a warning, do not use it, okay, like it's going to be bullish or it's going to be bearish. Just draw the line and say priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below. So when you do that, okay, so for instance, you are here, you say to me, George, I'm a day trader, I just draw that line, you see this red line, and then you switch to your 4-hour time frame, right? Because there's a correlation between the 4-hour time frame and the quarterly chart, all right? So you go to the 4-hour time frame, and you are looking for that line. So now I can't see because it has been a long time. We can't see now, but probably if you go to the daily chart, is that a line? Going back again, I will find it now in a minute. Quarterly chart, okay? So where was I? Where was I? Here, that's the red line, okay? So I went to the daily chart. We can see that red line. Where is it? You can see. Let's go to the weekly chart. Here it is. So we were somewhere here. So at that point in time, you may go to the daily chart or 4-hour time frames. You are day trading, all right? Looking for bearish chart pattern below that red line, or if it goes above it, you will be looking for bullish chart pattern above that line. So here we have on the weekly chart a higher low, retesting breaks above the red line and retesting here on the weekly chart. So because you are giving priority to bullish signal above that red line, you will implement a top-down trading method at this point in time to trade it. Here it is going up. It's nice, isn't it? Nice. But if it D below it, you are looking for bearish chart pattern or a lower high below that red trend line, and then you use a top-down trading method. You can even go to the on the daily chart we can see, but at that point in time, even on the hourly time frame, you will see that red line. On the 30-minute time frame, you will see that red trend line. But all you know or all you do care about is that you are giving priority to bearish signal below it and priority to bullish signal above it. Powerful candlestick bar. So if I want to tell somebody, okay, if you say, George, just tell me one thing about candlestick bar, this is the candlestick bar that I will point out to you. Very, very powerful. The bullish inverted hammer. Let's go back again to the quarterly chart. Okay, this time we are now on the quarterly chart. Here we are. So we are talking about this one here. So we draw again a line. I'm going to color it now into pink. All right, beautiful color. So here we have our pink line because it's the closing price. This one does not have a low. The low of this candlestick bar is equal to the opening price. So we leave it there. We say priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below. So you say, Joel, are you crazy or what? I don't like the quarterly chart. Joel, why you always go to the quarterly chart? I hate you for that. Okay, so you go through all the motion and then say, well, then you draw that line, and then I can't see. I'm now on the 4-hour time frame, by the way, but I can't see that pink line. Okay, let's go. But when the candlestick bar is closed, okay, at that point in time, if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you will see the red line. Okay, that pink line instead, the pink line. But now because it was too late, okay, let's go to the daily chart. Here it is. That's the pink line there. Okay, let's go again to the weekly chart. You see, we are now on the weekly chart. So priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below. You are looking for bullish chart pattern or higher low, double bottom chart pattern, inverted. Look at it. This is an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, yes or no? Hopefully, okay, this is an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Do you agree? Look for candlestick pattern also in the vicinity of this, okay, pink line. So an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, boom, going up, yes or no, all right? Those are the things you are looking for. You can go even to the 4-hour time frame, 30-minute time frame, priority to bullish signal above, priority to bearish signal below. Look for higher lows, higher high, okay? A low, a higher low, another higher low here. Okay? Invitation to buy, implement a top-down trading method. So at this point in time, this is a trading setup. This inverted head and shoulder chart pattern is a trading setup. Now again, we implement a top-down trading method. Now, we say priority to bearish signal below. Look for lower high or bearish chart pattern. So here you can draw this trend line. Oops, all right, it's not easy. If you draw it at connecting this point and this one here, it's not very good, all right? But what you can see, once you see this trend line here, common sense trend line here is kaput. You got it. So a D below it, retest it. Now this common sense trend is kaput. We are below the pink line. Here it is. For 1 week, they were selling it down. All right, here it is. All right. And again, you have a lower high. So if you consider this high. And this one, this is a lower high below that pink line. And then be patient. Can be messy. You see what has happened here? Blah, blah, blah. So you want to be very, because you know that if it's going to go down, it's going to go down nicely. So you want to be very patient. Sometimes it's quite, I don't know whether you ever experienced it when I'm talking about top-down trading method, when you're waiting for the signal or you want to enter, sometimes you need to be very, very patient, be very, very gentle, because sometimes they probably do all kind of blah, 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 blah. And if you're not careful, you may be taken out, okay, which is bad. You're expecting it to go down, but because you didn't time it properly, you may be taken out first before the price goes down. Or instead, you may use binary option, binary trading, all right? That will allow you to stay a little bit longer, all right, in the trade, all right? Or you may decide to use, okay, a put option or something else. Here it is, go down below. And now it becomes very, very interesting below the pink line. Start forming lower lows, lower high. That's the language of the bearish traders, okay? Now we have a bearish channel below that pink trend line. All we need to do now is to play, okay, the market pattern, looking for an opportunity to sell on the edge of the declining channel. But remember that the price will not go down forever. So as the price is going down, the price is looking for, okay, a new support level. So how do we know that it's not going to go down more? We will know by paying attention to the price. So there was this low here, you see. It's almost equal to this low. What is it telling us? Though we are in a declining channel, it's not going down very much. It's not forming a new lower low. So we will start thinking, all right, we are in a declining channel, but the price is not forming a new lower low. What do we have here? A triangle. Now it's stuck in a triangle. Blah, 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 blah. What have I said about triangle? Any higher low or the first higher low above a triangle is a high probability trading setup. Finally, break above the triangle, retest it here. 1, 2, 3, retest, and then boom, now it's going up. All right? All right. So let's go back to the main topic, the inverted bullish hammer. The first thing one should know about the inverted bullish hammer, priority to bullish signal above the low of that inverted bullish hammer, and priority to bearish signal below the low of the inverted bullish hammer. That's the first thing one should know about the bullish inverted hammer. So I have one more example I want to show you. So hopefully you are getting it now, the message. So you can go around on the quarterly chart. Why do you care about the quarterly chart, George? The reason why I do care about the quarterly chart is because the position traders, the hedge fund, the big institution, their number one time frame is what? The quarterly chart. Have you watched that video that I posted at digit 4 stock trader YouTube channel, how to position trade, okay, like a pro? All right, check it out. Is that the title? Let's check it again. How position traders, that the title, the correct title was how position traders trade in the financial market. How position traders trade in the financial market. Very important video. So the position trader, use the quarterly chart. So you are looking for solid, okay, bullish inverted hammer. If you can see the quarterly chart, check it there, and then you draw your line. You want to day trade, you can day trade. You want to swing trade, you can swing trade just from the quarterly chart. So we talk about this one here. So has been useful, that red line, just looking for that inverted hammer. But you can see, following my, it went down first, but it closed up. All right, so don't expect. Try to use different time frame, control the trade carefully so you do not end up losing. All right. And we also talked about this one already, another bullish inverted hammer. There's another one here, my friend. Look at that. Bullish inverted hammer. So what's the strategy? All we do, the low. Okay. Now I'm going to color it now in a dark green. And we want to see what's happening now. So you can see that the price carefully. This is a very, very bullish candlestick bar. The inverted bullish hammer is a very, very powerful bullish bar, candlestick bar. Since then, look, the price just, you see, it went up a bit, pull back, retest it. This is a nice one. It went up a bit, pull back to retest it. Now, after this one, look, it's not breaking below that low. So our strategy, which means priority to bullish signal above, still hold. But don't just buy. Suppose you were buying here. That would be a wrong place. All right. So look for bullish chart pattern, like I will show you. So now, look at the pink. We are now concentrating on the green line, yes or no? All right. So let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. Hopefully, we'll see. Let's see what's happening. Where is our? Hey, here it is. You see? This is our green line. Now you see it. So today were asking me, George, it's better that you go to the lower time frame. Now you see, from the quarterly chart, this is our line. So our strategy is very simple. From that, the first thing that we know about that bullish inverted hammer, one must give priority to bullish signal above the low of that candlestick bar, and one must give priority to bearish signal below the low of that candlestick bar. So now you're on the 4-hour time frame. So you draw your lines here. What's happening here, my friend? The market pattern is a rising channel. Is that difficult? It's not difficult. So you, as a day trader, so there was a low, a higher low. So there was a high, a higher low, a higher high. Very important to have a higher high. Right? And now we have again 1, 2, 3. Very nice, beautiful. Again, here. This is your trading setup. So as a GSTW24 trader, you go to the first best time frame and looking for bullish trading signal. So look at that. So around the beginning of November, up to which month? Up to the 15th of November, it was going up nicely for day trading purposes. All right. Can you do that? 4-hour time frame, 50-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame for the entry, top-down trading method. Here it is again, another invitation to buy. Why? Because you have a higher high, a higher low, higher high, followed by a higher low. All right? You need to pay attention to the higher high. When we are talking about bullish move, you need to pay attention to the lower low when we are talking about bearish move. So you see, that strategy is working nicely, yes or no? Here, you couldn't touch it. But in fact, we have again, another bull. You just want to look for bullish chart pattern. All right. Now we have a double bottom chart pattern here. Do you agree? So a double bottom chart pattern followed by a higher low. Here again. But you need to be careful now. Why we need to be careful now? Because you can see that the price failed to form a new higher high. So this high here, I'm talking about this one here, in comparison to this one, this is not a new higher high. So what is this telling us? This is alerting us that though we are in a rising channel, the bullish momentum is diminishing. All right, this one here. Higher high, this is good, very good. All right, now we have a lower high. Is it going to go back down now? That is the question. So there's another bearish channel being formed. So attention now, okay, to that bearish red line. Very simple, but very powerful, all right? So to summarize this video, all we are looking for, right, is to find an inverted okay, bullish hammer. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here, okay? Once we find one, we draw a line at the low of that candlestick bar, and we give priority bullish signal above, and the priority bearish signal below. In all cases, all we are looking for, as we draw the line, we're just looking for bullish chart pattern, higher lows, higher high, or lower high, lower low, right, for the bearish thing, or bearish trading setup, or bearish chart pattern below, okay, that low of that candlestick bar. Though this strategy worked beautifully, as you can see, the only challenge that we face is to implement carefully, okay, a different time frame trading method to control the risk and to handle the trade carefully so we don't end up losing. Now, another thing that I said to you at the beginning, the warning, never assume that because it's a very, very bullish candlestick bar that the price will definitely go up. But we want to give priority to bullish signal above the low. You see here it is nice for swing trading. So even if you didn't handle this session here, you were taken out, all right, just shake yourself a bit, all right, shake yourself a bit, all right. And after this, you see here, there's another quarterly chart. This one, at least after this. So this is again, this one, these two candlesticks. Do you remember that? One up, one down. So in fact, we have a bullish, all right, a bullish inverted hammer. Now we have, okay, a doji. So this is one up, one down. Have you watched those videos? Check them out. Check them out. Check them out at okay, Day Pro Trader YouTube channel. All right. Let me look for those videos. I have my book here, but looking for one up, one down. I recorded some videos about, so you may check them out and watch them. How to profit trading the bearish one up, one down reversal candlestick pattern. Watch that video. Very important. How to profit trading the bearish one up, one down reversal candlestick pattern by Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. All right. There's another one that I posted here. What is the title? How to trade a bullish one up, one down candlestick pattern like a pro. Those two videos will help you to understand the one up, one down. But here again, an inverted bullish hammer. Now you can see here, this is very interesting. This one is very, though this candlestick bar is quite bullish. If the price did find a support, start going up, we will buy instead. But now, this is a confirmation to us that the bearish traders are not kidding. You see, because they were selling it first, and then the bearish traders start selling it first, and then the bullish trader came up and messed up their trade. This is to mess up the trade. Somebody somewhere want to sell at the best place than everybody else. All right, so people sold it first. So you use your top-down trading method here, and you are now enjoying yourself. You are so happy. You say, Joe, you are the man. All right, all right. This to make you laugh. Now, whenever we are recording video, we need to make a bit of joke. All right, but I'm serious. So you say, Joe, you are the man. All right, so it's working nicely. And then the following quarter, so you were expecting to continue to go down. The bullish trader came here and said, no, you're not having it. And then they stick the finger for you. And here it is up. Everybody out. People think that, well, it's going to go back up. The bearish traders are not giving up. They came back and they continue to sell. Now we are here. Here again, the same candlestick bar. Same. Now the bearish trader tried to sell, but no, the bullish trader are holding their position. All right? So, if you have any question or suggestion, please feel free to put in the comments. It's very important for us, all right? So I'll look at the comment and read them. So I say, all right, this trader wants me to record more video about this. Then in due course, I'll record another video to answer your specific question. This is how, okay, we are building the YouTube channel, all right? This is the end of the tutorial about the first thing one should know about the bullish inverted hammer. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.